Lesson 3. Dialogue.
There are 3 visitors here, so I think it's time for getting to know others.
Hi. Welcome.
Hello.
How are you? Do you come from Europe?
No, I didn't come from Europe.
Do you come from Asia?
No, I'm not from Asia.
Do you come from America?
Yes, I'm from America.
In which hotel are you staying?
I'm staying in the Hilton Hotel.
How long have you been here for?
I've been here for 2 weeks.
How long will you be staying?
I plan on staying for 2 months.
Do you like it here?
Yes, I do.
Are you here on vacation?
Yes, I am.
Please do visit me sometime. You have to visit me sometime.
Okay, I will.
Here is my address.
Thank you.
Shall we see each other tomorrow?
I'm very sorry. I'm sorry, but I already have plans.
Okay, no problem. Bye. Until we meet again.
Goodbye. I'll see you soon.
See you soon.